deal what topic I actually, but I would like to tell you, जेन्ना एक फेस्टिवल येता, there will be attempts to communalize the atmosphere. आमच्या गोंयांत आमचे हिंदू भाव, मुस्लिम भाव, क्रिस्तांव भाव शेकड्याचे शेकडे भाव भयणी कशे रावले. Why are these people taking law into their own hand? तांकां जर कितें सस्पिशन आसा तांणी कंप्लेन करा न्ही. पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आसा, लॉ एजन्सीज आसा. फाल्यां जर सगळेच जर आपणाच्या हातान लॉ घेतलो जाल्यार वी विल बिकम अ जंगल राज. These are all attempts connected to this. हे आख्या इंडियेक चालू आसा, यूपी चालू आसा, महाराष्ट्रात चालू आसा. दे आर ट्रायिंग टू कम्युनलाइज एंड डायवर्ट द फोकस. जो पळय ते एक्सपोज जाल्ले आसा, जो बाबासाहेब आंबेडकराचेर तांचो पळय एक्सपोज जाल्ले आसा, अटॅक केल्लो आसा, तो डायवर्ट करपाक हे सगळे. इट इज ऑल इंटरकनेक्टेड. सो वेर इज द गव्हर्नमेंट? वेर इज द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? जेन्ना हांगा गडबड जाल्लो आसा, चीफ मिनिस्टर विथ टॅक्स पेयर्स मनी चार्टर्ड फ्लायट घेवन भोंवपाक येता. अरे नाव budget session will be starting. The finance minister will be presenting the budget. आता तुम्ही वेतात आणि सांगतात बाबा मी भिकेक पडल्या. ऑलमोस्ट 25-30 हजार कोटीचे रीण आसा. रीण आसतना तुम्ही चार्टर्ड फ्लायट घेऊन येतात. कोण पैसे दितले? आमी पैसे, टॅक्स पेयर. ही फकाणां जाली. यू आर कॉन्ट्रडिक्टिंग. फकाणां करता लोकांची. जेन्ना तुम्ही लोनान उडलेले आसा, नॉर्मल इकॉनॉमी क्लासान वचात नाल्यार डायरेक्ट ट्रेन घेवन वचात, तुका स्पेशल मेळटले मरे, फर्स्ट क्लास एसी. आनी ते नाम तेन्ना पळय असले प्रॉब्लेम.
So this disturbance is created by BJP, you want to say?
Why they are not taking action? Why government is not taking action? That shows the affiliation. See, if there is any suspicion of illegal trade, complain to the police. Or complain to FDA, complain to the requisite authority. आपणाच्या हातात कित्याक कायदो घेता? तांकां जाय झगडी जाल्ली.
Captain, meat traders they are seeking police protection to continue with the trade. So, now if not, they are going on strike today. Almost they have decided. So, तुमकां दिसता तांकां police protection सरकारान दिवचें? Okay, how you look at it?
The very fact they are asking for police protection, indirectly it says the law and order has collapsed. It's a clear-cut indication. A peaceful place like Goa, you don't require police protection. म्हणजे हातून दाखयता this is हे सगळ्याक जाल्लें आसा. आमच्या सावथाक तरी बरें आशिल्लें. हे आतां सावथाक प्रॉब्लेम करता कित्याक सावथाक तांचे ऑल अटेम्प्ट्स हॅव फेल्ड. नॉर्थ इज आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. There are drug traders everywhere north. तांचेर एक्शन घेना सरकार. पुलीस आर हेल्पलेस. पुलीस बिदा ट्रान्सफर करीत म्हणून. ANC, anti-narcotic department आसा, they are finding it helplessness in Goa. There is no cooperation from local authorities. Today, आख्या इंडियेक खबर जाल्ली आसा काय? The biggest destination in India for drugs is Goa. So, as Home Minister, what is the Chief Minister doing? Or is this being created? Communal disturbance should divert cash for jobs असा तो issue. आम्ही 3 फावट नोटीस दिली पार्लमेंटान इश्यू काढपाक. 3 times I gave. Somehow it did not come. That is why outside Parliament when I came out on 19th December after liberation, दिसा आम्ही वॉक काढला. 3 times I gave with full backing of our party leadership, Congress leadership. When I briefed them, these are the 3 main issues: cash for job, then one person, main kingpin in land grabbing case, not walking out, escorted That is what he is saying, escorted by police. And third is, जेन्ना एनफोर्समेंट डिरेक्टराचे रेड मारला कसिनोचेर, तांचे एम्प्लॉईज हांगा बंद करता. Where is the law and order? Who is controlling Goa? As Home Minister, has he taken any action? Has the Chief Minister taken any action? म्हणजे everywhere there is Chief Minister's hidden hand कसो दिसता. Otherwise he would have taken action. आनी सदांच आमकां कॅच फॉर जॉब स्कॅम पळय आसा, तातूंत have a judicial inquiry or hand it over to CBI. This is bigger than that vacuum जाल्ले पळय ते मध्य प्रदेश. If ED officers are being locked up, जाल्यार खंय आसा? Then convicts are just sent out. That means there are attempts to protect the culprits. And as Home Minister, CM is responsible for it. He should resign.